There is a man driving all the way down from Scotland to swap his car for my car. Right, you all know the B3 Passat PD150 conversion beast that I've been building on the channel, yeah? My baby and all that, right. There's a man in the top half of Scotland who's driving 8 hours all the way down the country to come and swap his car for my car. He's on his way here now. I think he's about an hour away. Then we're gonna, if we want to swap, that is, if we both like the look of each other's cars, we're gonna swap, and then he's gonna drive the Passat 8 hours back to Scotland. The bloke's a nutcase. He's also a bit of a legend. But yeah, so what car am I swapping for? It's a bit of a strange one, this. It's not Volkswagen. So, yeah. Let's jump ahead to when he gets it, shall we?
1 hour later.
Right. We're doing the swap. The Passat is a new owner. He's just driven from Scotland all the way down here, and he's going to get in the Passat and drive all the way back 8 hours. The bloke is shattered, but that's how much he wants to be free. So, yeah, good luck with that, mate.
Yeah,
so this is the last time we're going to see my baby on the channel. Oh, God, she looks good in that shot on the phone. But this is the last time we're going to see her. And then
you can't see the other car.
I'm not going to let them see the other car yet.
Right, okay.
No, they're not allowed to see that yet.
You might be able to see it through the window.
It might a little bit through the window. Yeah, I'm not going to let them see that yet. That's the end. That's the end of the video.
Right.
So yeah. So right. So we're going to say goodbye to her, and then we're going to look at the new car.
A few moments later.
Right. It's time to say goodbye to my old friend. Goodbye, old friend. Enjoy your new life wherever you end up.
One pair of pants later.
Well, we are out in the new beast. I wouldn't call it a beast. Mind you, it's got kick down. We are out in the classic car. Not sure if you can tell what it is by looking at it. Check out the gauges and all the dials. All this retro stuff. Look at this. All this stuff here. Full on retro fest in here. Automatic. Yeah. Look at the back seats and stuff. Anyway, shall we show you people what car it is? Let's cut to that, shall we? This is a 1987 Volvo 240 GLT. It's only done 80,000 miles from new, 2 previous owners, not a single bit of rust anywhere on the car. This is the top spec of Volvo from back in the day. Alloy wheels, full electrics pack, heated seats, electric windows, heated mirrors, electric everything. If you had money back in the day and you wanted pure luxury from a reliable car, this was your beast. GLT stands for Grand Luxe Touring. This car comes with a 2.3 fuel-injected engine and an automatic gearbox with overdrive. The engines in these are known as the Redblock, which are known to be the most over-engineered engine you can possibly get, known to do 1 million miles or more. And if you're thinking, what the hell is he how is he going to make that look good? Just check these out. You see what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? They look bloody good, don't they? There you go. That is what can happen to these cars. That is what these cars can become. Cool as beep. So yeah. Check out these headrests. Like, you've got these on the back, the normal ones, but you've also got the padded leather on the front of these, which I'm not sure if the other models had. But this is absolutely immaculate in the back. Look at all these. These have still got paint on them. Armrest and yeah, this is absolutely plush in here. Corduroy on the doors. Look at that, all corduroy on the doors. Yeah. Full electrics pack all over it. Control all the windows. Automatic with this big square knob in here. All these dials, look, slidey dials. Still got the original stereo. Retro dials. Heated seats. I mean, this thing is plushed out. Properly plushed out, this thing is. Yeah. So, look at all these. You got your clock up here, you got your little, that there, when I put your foot down, it goes into the red. When you let off the gas, it goes down. It's almost like a MPG reader. You want this to be low to get the best MGG. When this thing goes into kick down, it is not slow. It is not slow at all. But it's also got the overdrive button on the side here. So, yes. Yes, yes, yes. It's very clean. Absolutely amazingly clean in here. It's going to be a cool project. This is going to be a really cool project. So, yeah. I can't wait to get started on this and take you guys on the journey with me. So, yeah. Well, there it is. There's the new car for the channel. Blank canvas is what I'm thinking. Slammed wheels, round front headlights. Yeah, I'm thinking this is a perfect base for a proper custom car. I wish I'd have started the channel when I started building the T4 rat rod I did. Should look back at my videos, you know what I'm on about. But this can be that vehicle. So let's start it from scratch. Let's build something cool that I've not done before on the channel. And let's see how it goes. Anyway. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Go and check out some of my other videos that'll be coming up at the end of this video, or check out my other stuff, all that stuff, and I'll see you in the next one, people.